Peppers Entertainment Television. Turn on the heat.
வணக்கம் நேயர்களே, என்னோட அன்பான வணக்கம். நான் உங்க ராஜீவ் பேசுறேன். வெல்கம் டு a பயங்கரமான பியூட்டிஃபுல் talented very pretty of 30 minutes with us only on Peppers Television. நம்ம தமிழ் சினிமால வந்து ஏகப்பட்ட talented actors இருக்காங்க, ஏகப்பட்ட beautiful actors இருக்காங்க. ஆனா நம்ம கெஸ்ட் வந்து ரொம்ப ஒரு rare combination of talent and beauty. With me is actress Swati. Yes. Thank you for all the lies. Vande we are going to have one cup of coffee with Swati.
Yes.
Okay. வணக்கம் எப்படி நீங்க?
நல்லா இருக்கேன். நீங்க?
நல்லா இருக்கேமா. Tell me, இது என்ன போயிட்டு வரீங்க தமிழ் சினிமா வந்து has not caught on to you still. போயிட்டு வரீங்க. இது என்ன ஒரு visitor மாதிரி வரீங்க நீங்க?
I know, I'm like Casper. They call me Casper here.
The friendly ghost.
Yes, I'm Casper the friendly ghost. So
I like ghosts very much ma. இதுக்கு அப்புறம் தான். Tell me.
So I don't know. எல்லாரும் they ask me, yes, Swati இவ்ளோ கேப் ஒரு படத்துக்கு. But உண்மையா I don't know. அதெல்லாம் எனக்கு தெரியாது. Also because I'm not from the industry. Like I know grandpa, grandma and all that. And
grandpa that's correct.
ஆமா. சின்ன வயசுல when I
no producer backing அப்படி
no sugar daddy.
Correct.
And when I was 4 years old எனக்கு தெரியும் நான் actress ஆக போறேன். அந்த மாதிரியும் இல்ல. So I was thrown in by destiny. So by the time I found my ground, it took me a while. And even growing up நான் அவ்ளோ படம் பார்த்து I was not really a film buff.
Correct.
It was just E.T. and Sound of Music, so I really wasn't really like into Indian cinema.
நீங்க வந்திருக்கீங்க like My Fair Lady மாதிரி வந்திருக்கீங்க நீங்க. Okay,
no, but honestly Mary Poppins, My Fair Lady,
அந்த காலத்தோட movies you were watching, that type, that genre of movies.
Yeah, exactly.
இது வந்து ரொம்ப டிஃபரண்டா இருக்கு.
Yeah, max I saw was Geetanjali or Agni Nakshatram or Nayagan, so Dirina it was like you're an actor Swati, and I'm like okay.
ஆனா இந்த ஜர்னில வந்து நீங்க சொன்னீங்க no sugar daddy, no forefather, grandpa producer, uncle
boyfriend,
ஒண்ணுமே இல்ல. boyfriend பத்தி பேசாதீங்க, I'll get angry. Don't talk about that. Now tell me, இந்த ஒரு ஜர்னில வந்து start from Subramaniapuram, your ups and downs, busy இருக்கீங்க, சில வாட்டி வந்து insecure இருப்பீங்க. இந்த ஒரு ஜர்னில வந்து what have you learned about yourself? ஏன்னா இது ஒரு ஜர்னில வந்து you will say இது வந்து I can do this, I can't do this, இது நல்லா இருக்கு, இது நல்லா இல்ல. What have you learned about yourself?
I've learned that I have to let go a little bit. Initially, Subramaniapuram kaprama, I got a lot of offers which were like Tulasi and the Davani and the Jada and all. So I was like, no way, vana.
Give me a skirt.
Adilla, but not again the same thing, So
other industry, they typecast you.
Village
girl na village girl da.
Stereotype.
Don't see the eyes, you will go for it. Okay,
It's like Medusa. No, with it, that happened. So nariya gap vanduchu from one film to another because I didn't want to be stereotyped. At the same time, coming back to what he asked, I've learned that you should let go a little bit. There's no formula to success or a nalla script irunda, nalla music irunda, nothing like that. Theriyadu which movie will do.
It's not A plus B plus C is equal to this.
No.
வந்து எங்கே வரோ எப்படி வரோ how the audience will react வந்து சொல்லவே முடியாது.
I mean, watch movies like Sudakavam and Pizza and Yamrithu Bayame. So they're like wonderful films. And Didina, they've come from nowhere, with no expectations. So let go and trust the filmmaker and just be cool.
ஆனா உங்களுக்கு வந்து success ஒரு புது விஷயமே கிடையாது. You got lots of success as well. அது வந்து all your hard work, your smart thinking, நல்ல offers, destiny இருக்கு. Well, of course வடக்கரி வந்து ஒரு சூப்பரான படம் இருக்கு. It has released, it's doing extremely well at the box office. Congratulations to you. And வடக்கரியோட experience வந்து எப்படி இருந்தது?
Vadakari was
normally I'm asking everybody Sunny Leon எப்படி இருக்கு, but we can't ask you about Sunny Leon.
No, you can ask me actually.
Oh, I can?
Yes, you can.
We'll ask everything. Phone number இருக்கா Sunny Leon? My producer only is asking. I'm not bothered actually. We don't care about Sunny Leon.
I think Jay has his number.
Where is Jay ma? Okay, quickly tell me about Vadakari வந்து இந்த vibe இந்த offer வந்து actually எப்படி வந்தது? How did this offer come to you?
It just came out of the blue. I mean, I don't have a PR manager or anybody who's like hounding filmmakers. But Terila, like you said, destiny. So I was shooting for a Telugu film in Vizag and appo call vandadu and I think it's the first time முதல் தடவை நான் ஃபோன்ல கதை கேட்டுட்டு ஓகே சொன்ன ஸ்கிரிப்ட் இதுதான். maybe it actually had to do something with the whole mobile concept. I thought, you know, people will relate to that. Also, after it narrated the script, so that Jay is the hero. So I thought, hey, cool, it'll look nice. And they haven't seen me and Jay look like normal people.
It's that village type guy.
Yeah, actually, Subramaniapuram press release appo, there were 2-3 reporters who asked me, do you speak English? Because they thought
I know only the English. I'm not knowing Tamil very well.
I'm like, hello, you know. So they asked me questions like that because they were like, Tulasi was like so stamped into their heads. So I was like, oh, finally I look like a normal girl.
Correct. In the character வந்து என்ன இருக்கு actually? What's your role exactly on this? என்ன memorable experiences இருக்கு for Vadakari itself?
I think the entire process was decent. So that was, when you have a no hiccups film, trust me, that's memorable
that's a
enough.
big blessing. ஆமா, ஒரு பெரிய blessing தான்.
ஆமா, so அது மட்டும் போதும் எனக்கு. பெருசா ஏதோ மெமரி வேணாம் எனக்கு. நான் நல்லா நிம்மதியா போதும் எனக்கு if the script, you know, shoot goes.
No problems is an amazing thing. ஆமா.
Yeah, it is good.
Tell me about the new director. ஏன்னா நிறைய பேர் சொல்றாங்க இது வந்து ஒரு புது generation of Tamil cinema இருக்கு. New stories வராங்க, புது producers வராங்க, new directors, different style of narration. இது வந்து also is a very young director, experienced with Mr. Venkat Prabhu, different style of story இருக்கு, narration style வித்தியாசமா இருக்கு. Tell me about என்ன கத்துக்கிட்டீங்க working with him. How was the experience with the director?
அவர் ரொம்ப chilled out actually. See, because I'm not a Tamilian, so காலையில when I go I'll be like, இன்னைக்கு என்ன scenes எனக்கு கொடுங்க, because I'm very high strung when it comes, because I don't want to like ruin my lip sync. So I'm like, கொடுங்க.
You don't take prompting help எல்லாம் எடுக்க
மாட்டீங்க? No way, prompting எனக்கு புரியாது வராது, because I'll get confused.
Correct.
So I'm like, prompting வேணா எனக்கு, I know
self study பண்ணுவீங்க நீங்க.
At least ange for that scene.
Good.
So I'm like, scene dialogue kudinga, and these people used to work so fast that they used to suddenly do a new scene. I'm like, in the scene enakku illa ama madam illa, ana enakku plan panna scenes ellame mudinjichu, idu actually 3-4 days ku apprama, but ipo time irukku pack up solla mudiyadhu, so idu pannalam. I'm like,
give me the paper immediately, quickly, where is the script?
and you know, there was once there was this bike sequence that I and Jay had to do in the film. So it was on the moving thing, traffic, we didn't have permissions, they, you know, Tiruttu Panama, we did the shoot and all, and I had like one page of dialogues. I'm like, how can you do this to me? So the director is like, ennachu Swati? I'm like, sir, neenga kaalila kudukanumla, na 7 manike vandhen, neenga yen kudukala? Relax, no
take
problem.
It easy.
Take it easy, babe, you know, just take your time, no problem. And it was like 5:30, 6 o'clock time, light will go.
Actually, time illa na sonnanga, take your time.
Take your
2 or 3 minutes.
That's it. You have a lot of time. In 2 minutes, I'll come back. I'm like, hello, what is this? But actually, in that situation, if you're cool, appoda.
Correct. It was getting tense and hyper on the velika.
It doesn't work. Welcome back, guys, and you're watching 30 Minutes with the handsome Rajiv and the not so handsome. I'm pretty okay. So
not handsome at all. Very, very pretty, ma. You are extremely pretty.
Girls can be handsome.
Oh, they can?
I mean, yeah, it's not like a gender bias.
So you want me to say you're a handsome girl?
It's okay.
Okay, let's go back to Vadakari. Jay and Swati, the combination, the chemistry was very, very pure, very nice in Subramaniapuram. In the Vati ரொம்ப different but extremely nice. Tell me about Jay. How much has he changed from the first movie? நீங்க எவ்வளவு மாறி போயிருக்கீங்க as an actor?
Actually, I've said it in all my interviews. Chemistry is there between two actors is like beyond anybody's understanding. I know a lot of real life couples
who look very bad on screen.
On screen, it doesn't reflect their chemistry. And Jay and me in Subramaniapuram, we were not even great friends, you know, because I did not speak Tamil at all back then, and you know, there wasn't much communication. Though it was a nice, healthy, like, hello, hi, how are you types.
To the point, for the character வந்து நீங்க பேசுனீங்க to get the good output.
ஆமா, and எல்லாமே நல்லது. I mean, it was good, healthy, positive vibe. But everybody was like, oh, chemistry, chemistry. So much so that they thought we were seeing each other, which is not true. But in this film, see, what I think it's the scenes and the dialogues that contribute to the
characterization வந்து
முக்கியமான விஷயம். நான் இங்கிலீஷ்ல சொல்றேன், அவர் தமிழ்ல சொல்றாரு.
First time வந்து I am feeling very good in Tamil. Thank you, Swati.
So it all credit எல்லாமே it goes to the director and the scenes and the music. So I just hope people like our chemistry now again.
Definitely, always நிறைய hype இருக்கு. Music வந்து ஒரு பெரிய plus point இருக்கு. Tell me 5 years later, 10 years later, when I meet you once again, wherever I meet you once again, வந்து if I remember or remind you of this movie Vadakari, என்ன 2-3 விஷயம் எப்பவுமே ஞாபகமா இருக்கு? What you'll always remember about this movie?
one thing that I'll remember is how the film started and finished in a jiffy.
Okay.
Like,
well planned out.
Yeah, like super professional, like clinical. You know, start ஆயிடுச்சு, song போறேன், வந்துச்சு, talkie முடிஞ்சிச்சு, okay done, promotions, release. Tabak. It was like that.
இது வந்து ஒரு குயிக்கான ஒரு எக்ஸ்பீரியன்ஸ் இருந்தது. Fantastic. Well planned out, well scheduled, superbly executed. Okay, very nice. அது வந்து
that's one thing. And how everybody kept harping on the fact that I have a makeover in the film. Maybe that.
இது வந்து ரியல். அதான் மேக்கோவர், இது வந்து ரியல் ஸ்வாதி தானே?
Yeah, I'm like okay. And Nenjukule. That song.
Yeah, super. Fantastic. Okay. And let's move a bit more. Let's go slightly rewind to the previous movie of yours, Idhukudane Asapattai Balakumar. That's also a fantastic kind of movie. Tell me the difference in terms of your experience in it. Tell me how much you enjoyed that. என்ன feedback வந்தது actually? என்ன over actorக்கு வந்து feedback ரொம்ப முக்கியமான விஷயம் இருக்கு. What the fans say, what the critics say, reviews என்ன சொல்றாங்க, film industry என்ன சொல்றாங்க. என்ன feedback வந்தது உங்களுக்கு?
That it is Vijay Sethupathiy's film.
that is a good thing and a bad thing also, yeah?
No, it is all just Vijay Sethupathi, and the mania was like on a super high appo. So appo innu it was like, you know, the craze was like amazing.
So that worked also for the movie. Adu vandu
no, adudha, and I knew about it, and I made my peace with it. So feedback, I mean, although I didn't do anything like, you know, so crazily different that I grabbed anybody's eyeballs, but whatever they saw, they liked, and they were polite and nice to me. So, yeah.
Fantastic. Okay, and in the journey right from Subramaniapuram till now, நீங்க வந்து மலையாளம்ல வந்து நிறைய படம் பண்ணிருக்கீங்க, other languages விஷயம் பண்ணிருக்கீங்க, so many different type of roles பண்ணிருக்கீங்க. Tell me Tamil cinema and other cinemas வந்து என்ன பிடிக்கும் உங்களுக்கு, and what you don't like about it. இந்த difference வந்து என்ன இருக்கு, என்ன பிடிக்கும் என்ன பிடிக்காது?
Malayalam cinema is very dear to me.
Okay.
The new generation, the youngsters there are making some really like amazing cinema, and fortunately I've been part of some of them. My film won the national award this year for best. Thank you. So Malayalam cinema na dark, morbid, sad, intense ana oru
real irukku, adha
ana oru misconception irukku, and madri ella padam they're not like that.
Malayalam cinema can also be very pretty, very lively, like Swati.
Okay, they're not pretty in the sense like overwhelmingly pretty or something, but they're at least like aesthetically beautiful.
Correct.
And that's what I like about Malayalam cinema. And Telugu is luxury, you know, like Malayalam is like 6:30 we're on the location. Telugu is like 9 o'clock vanda podum. Appadi periya
chilled out with the relaxed
chilled out, like, you know, 6 months shoot good, and you know all that kind of a thing. Tamil is like konjam balance. Idu konjam adu konjam. I'm sure everybody has said this before, so it's.
And tell me, இப்போ வந்து சொல்றாங்க, இப்போ ஸ்வாதி வந்திருக்காங்க, வடி கறி வந்து ரொம்ப டேஸ்டியா இருந்தது, very very super. And அடுத்து வந்து what is Swati going to do? Next வந்து என்ன பிளான்ல என்ன இருக்கு? திருப்பி போறீங்களா? You will come back after a few years and we'll interview each other once again. இதெல்லாம் வந்து என்ன plan இருக்கு?
I have a bilingual releasing in Telugu and Tamil again.
Fantastic. அது என்ன? Tell me the name.
Kartikeya in Telugu. It's Kartikeyan in Tamil. So that's going to be out soon, and then I think I'll be signing a film pretty soon.
அதுக்கு ஒரு ட்ரீட் வந்து எங்களுக்கு கீழ இருக்கு. Oh my god. Okay, fantastic. Very very nice. So நிறைய projects இருக்கு. You plan to do some more work in Tamil as well. Okay. We'll take a small quick break. And a break முன்னாடி வந்து tell me Vijay Sethupathi you've worked with. Tell me சொல்றாங்க it's extremely good experience. நிறைய விஷயம் இருக்கு. Tell me about Vijay Sethupathi a bit.
Whenever anyone asks me, tell me your 3 most talented like co-stars.
Choose between Jay and Vijay Sethupathi. Number 1. Choose that. Choose one.
போங்கப்பா நீங்க
choose one.
Okay, எந்த விஷயத்துல choose பண்ணனும்?
As a co-star.
Vijay Sethupathi என்னோட co-star கிடையாதுல்ல. He was in my movie.
In the movie, okay.
So Jayada சொல்லுவோம்.
Okay, you won that hands down. Okay, tell me working with Vijay. Tell me a bit about that.
I love working with Vijay, and I still நடுவுல கொஞ்சம் பக்கத்துக்கான seen it like 2-3 times, and actually that's my favorite movie of his. And Soodhukavam. எனக்கு I remember so well when his intro first shot came. I was like, "Pa, how can he be so good looking?" You know, like he has a grey hair which he didn't color and long locks. So I was like, damn, this man does everything so differently. And then in Pizza he's like one delivery boy. So the first day I met him, I'm like, "So I love you," and he's like, he thought I'm just being polite, but then the second day I said I love you, and then he's like, "Oh, I love you too," you know. So I think in the present crop, Vijay Sethupathi is
பயங்கரமான ஒரு
a
talent
freaking rock star.
and fantastic human being, a very very simple hard working guy. It's a very very sad moment for me because எனக்கு தெரியும் that only 7-8 minutes are left and Swati will go away and we'll never see each other again.
Thinking inside இப்போ எங்க போறோம், where I can go for a
I am
movie with
thinking
my friends.
நான் என்ன think பண்றேன்னா வந்து கீழ என்ன ட்ரீட் வைப்பீங்க நீங்க, what is the treat you are giving?
Oh, the curiosity.
ரொம்ப it's killing me. Yeah, it's killing me. Okay, now we'll go to the personal side of Swati. We know about the acting, என்ன பண்றீங்க, அழகான ஒரு actress, fantasticான ஒரு anchor, சூப்பரான ஒரு singer, அது நினைக்கிறாங்க அப்படி. ஆனா you tell me about Swati the real person. எப்படி இருக்கீங்க நீங்க as a person? வந்து you're simple, you're very demanding, you're very naughty. Tell me about you as a person. Silent, talkative, எப்படி?
I think when you're very comfortable in your head mentally on a personal level, that's when you don't like get carried away materialistically. Maybe that's one philosophy, I don't know. What I cherish most is I think the relationship that I have with my parents.
Super.
I can talk to them about anything and tell them anything.
Comfortable, more like friendly, respectful friendship.
Yeah, and the bayam illa, like the teenagers bayam, and
that's super.
hide panni, you'll get into trouble and sodapi fight whatever happens. But now it's like, mom, I think whatever, or
very nice.
yeah, so these are the things I can talk to them about, and that's why I feel content. So yeah, that's what
okay, and then tell me a bit about you. Tell me a bit about the nalla habits that you have. What are the good things that you have?
I have OCD.
What is OCD?
Obsessive compulsive disorder.
Oh yeah?
Yeah, at least I have traits of it. That's what my family members say. Shooting I'll come back from shoot and I have to put everything in its place and then only தூக்கம் வருது.
Oh.
Yeah, I'm like Monica.
So after the shoot you will keep back the camera and all in the car.
நீங்க அந்த மாதிரி I'll be very happy.
Oh yeah? Okay, நமக்கு free இன்னைக்கு very good. No effort at all. Very good.
உண்மையா சொல்றேன், எனக்கு அந்த I don't know what they call it in Tamil, but saddufying is what they say in Telugu.
சுத்தமா வைக்கணும், நீட்டா வைக்கணும்.
அந்த books அங்கே இருக்கணும். And morning I'll get up, I have a ritual.
அது வந்து ஒரு good habit நீங்க சொல்றீங்க, நீட்டா வைப்பீங்க. What are the other good habits that you have?
That's all.
That's all. Very good. ரொம்ப honest-ஆ இருக்காங்க. That's the second good habit. Okay. Tell me, இந்த ஒரு
overly honest.
Okay, இந்த ஒரு ஜெர்னில வந்து ஸ்வாதி நீங்க படம் நிறைய பண்ணிருக்கீங்க. You got some nice movies. ஆனா ஒவ்வொரு ஜெர்னில வந்து failures கூட இருக்கு, disappointments இருக்கு, irritation இருக்கு, கோபம் இருக்கு. When your movie does not do as well as expected, இல்லனா வந்து ரிலீஸ் ஆகுற டைம்ல, how do you react to this?
It's like stages. First I go into denial. I'm like, why me? நான் ஏன் பண்ணிட்டேன், எனக்கு chance இல்ல.
கொஞ்சம் overacting of the 80s மாதிரி.
Yeah, all that will happen for 1-2 days. Then I'll think, ஆமால படம் அவ்வளவு நல்லா இல்ல. So that's what will happen. Then I'll go into proper acceptance.
We have grown up, a part of life.
No, adilla. The movie was not entertaining. They didn't showcase me like the typical heroine or whatever. And that is why this is what is happening.
Right.
So I go into that and that's it.
Okay. Tell me, which is the hardest moment of your life? என்ன ரொம்ப கஷ்டமான ஒரு moment இந்த professional?
Patience. I don't have any patience. So when they say wait, அது ரொம்ப கஷ்டம் எனக்கு.
Weight வந்து கொஞ்சம் ஜாஸ்தியா இருக்கும்.
அந்த weight ஈஸியா வந்துச்சு. But when they say wait பண்ணுங்க, and if people ignore me, it kills me. Because I'm very honest and I'm like, I'll pick up the phone and ask. If there's a problem, it's like, what happened? I'm like that. But if someone ignores, I'll be like, what happened?
Pick up and tell me what is
actually going on. Yeah, just pick up and pick a fight and just get done with it, Move on. But patience is the hardest.
Okay, one actor in the Tamil cinema that you think is very, very talented. Soninga Vijay Sethupathi, that's the best. Okay. Enna actress வந்து நீங்க feel பண்ணீங்க is the most talented actress? Tamil cinema ல வந்து Swati first second lagi.
ஐயோ இல்ல Vidya Balan I want to say, please.
Okay, accepted.
And Kangana and Queen.
Okay, and which actress வந்து நீங்க feel பண்ணீங்க தமிழ் சினிமால வந்து is actually ரொம்ப overrated ஆன actress? அவ்வளவு நல்லா இல்ல ஆனா ரொம்ப ஏத்தி விடுறாங்க. We'll edit it, don't worry, we'll edit it, don't worry. Trust பண்ணுங்க.
அப்புறம் ஏன் கேக்குறீங்க?
சும்மா to know you better. Okay, last few questions to you. Now tell me future plans வந்து என்ன இருக்கு? ஏன்னா ஒவ்வொரு ஆர்டிஸ்ட்க்கு வந்து கனவு இருக்கு, ட்ரீம்ஸ் இருக்கு, ambitions இருக்கு. So what's your ambition? சினிமால வந்திருக்கீங்க, என்ன அச்சீவ் பண்ணனும் நீங்க?
நிறைய படம் பண்ணனும். I want to get sick of doing films.
பண்ணிட்டே இருக்கணும்.
And then I'm like, போதும் வேணாம். I want to like do so many films, but the thing is I don't know how to crack it, I'm like thinking when people say Swati you're so talented, I'm like But why is it not like translating? Like, really?
Correct.
So,
Why is no one else seeing it?
yeah,
Correct.
so anyone says you're talented, I'll box their face. Like, don't tell me that.
So we are with a not so talented Anna Swati. Okay, last two questions. Of course, நிறைய fans இருக்காங்க, well wishers இருக்காங்க who are watching you. Tell them one message about Vadakari. Give them one sweet message quickly.
Messages, watch Vadakari, Jollyana Param, and hopefully you like it and not too many bricks and bats. And everybody be happy. Message, Anna, life is short and precious, so be happy and chill out.
Okay, and finally வந்து இந்த ஒரு மெலோடியஸான வாய்ஸ்க்கு வந்து we have a மெலோடியஸான romantic song dedicated to who? You can tell who you want to dedicate to. ஒரு நல்ல song நீங்க பாட போறீங்க. Prove your talent.
வாடா மாப்பிள்ள வளவள தொப்பல வாலிபால் ஆடலாமா. Don't put that face. ஆடும் சாக்குல சைக்கிள் கேப்ல கிற்கு புடி போடலாமா.
இது என்ன நர்சரி ரைமா என்ன நீங்க சொல்றீங்க?
இப்படிதான் I like
very
this
good,
song.
very talented and a singer, fantastic. Chinmay, please watch out, we have a super power talent with us. And the last question to you, every person வந்து ஏகப்பட்ட wishes இருக்கு. Today I give you one blank check, any amount. என்ன வாங்குவீங்க நீங்க? Last question, என்ன வாங்குவீங்க?
Like after an amount or wish?
No, what you want to buy? I'm giving you one endless amount of check. இல்ல அப்படி சும்மா சொல்றேன். What you want to buy? ஒரு வீடு, ஒரு வண்டி, you want to buy a palace, what you want quickly. Don't make that face. Yeah, interesting ஆன கேள்வி இருக்கு, சொல்லுங்க.
No, I'm thinking.
Oh, இது thinking. You என்ன thinking?
Yeah, I'm thinking காசு, nothing that money.
வித்தியாசமா யோசிக்கறாங்க மேடம். ரெடி? Tell fast.
Money ana kashtam. Magical wish அந்த மாதிரி.
சரி, என்ன wish வேணும்? What is the wish that you want? Alibaba and 3 wishes.
Okay. No matter how much I eat, I should not put on weight.
Okay, அது ஒரு
எப்படி?
சூப்பர். ஆனா அது வந்து வரல நீ.
எவ்வளவு சாப்பிட்டாலும் குண்டாக கூடாது. Okay, அது first. 3 wishes,
இன்னும் ரெண்டு இருக்கு. What a generous man I am.
Second wish is all my movies should be super hits.
ஆமா, ஆசை.
And third wish is இன்னொரு wish.
அப்பா, this is a very unique answer. நான் first time கேக்குறேன் என் லைஃப்ல. Thank you very much. ஸ்வாதி, நீங்க வந்தீங்க, honest-ஆ பேசுனீங்க, sweet-ஆ பேசுனீங்க, bad-ஆ பாடுனீங்க. And for all this, thank you very much.
I sang badly.
Very badly. உண்மையா சொன்னோம்னா very badly.
How mean, yeah.
என்ன பண்ண உண்மையான ஒரு ஷோ.
Don't be mean, okay?
Okay, want to sing one more time? Take 2 போலாமா? Okay, thank you very much.
தங்கபலி கிட்ட வராதே, நான் ஓராடி.
Okay, thank you very much. Wish you all the very best for Vadakari and all your future projects. Thank you so much. And boys and girls, நீங்க பாத்தீங்க ஒரு fantastic-ஆன actress, ஓகேயான singer and fantastic-ஆன human being. நீங்க பாத்தீங்க ஒரு சூப்பரான ஒரு episode of 30 Minutes with us. My name is Rajiv. This is Swati. உங்க feedback நமக்கு ரொம்ப முக்கியமான விஷயம் இருக்கு. So please log on to facebook.com/peppers. Goodbye and stay tuned to Peppers Television. சுட சுட உங்க மனதை தொட as hot as Swati.